good evening, everyone. Live from Studio 6 at LBS Center. I am Krisha Adelaide Torres. Coming up in LBS News tonight, famous political analysts attended the conference held this morning via Zoom meeting to analyze the effects of World War II to the present time. Let's listen from the political analysts.
In my analysis, poverty is the main problem of today's society. Poverty in the Philippines remains a challenge. The main causes include low to moderate economic growth for the past 40 years, high levels of population growth, and natural disasters. As a solution, the government should narrow the gap between the poor and rich. That is, the government should tax more from rich and relieve the poor and provide decent jobs for those unemployed.
Conference, I mentioned that crimes are serious issues of the country. The main reason is poverty. The poor do not have sufficient food and necessities. Other reason is the violence from TV, film, or media, which provides individual negative influence. In my analysis, poverty and TV and the other media violence are main reason to engage in crime. The authorities should be very focused on weapon control, especially gun, provide better job for jobless people.
As a political analyst, disorder and chaos are one of the problems being encountered in the government. In my studies, rallies, communists, and activists are found as main cause of this case. As a solution, the government should be implementing curfews to the minors, be fair in everything, and respect each other and each other's ideas. We should also obey the rules implemented to attain peace and order.
In my analysis, snatching and holdups have caused problems in the society. In the past 4 decades, the country witnessed an employment generation in the quality of jobs generated. Snatching and holdups occur frequently, and visitors or travelers are often targets by armed assailants on foot or motorbikes. As a solution, the government should deploy more officers, especially in places with high risk of holdups and snatching for the security of the place and people. Do not walk alone in dimly lit areas. People should travel in groups and avoid shortcuts.
As I said earlier, during World War II, ecosystems suffered from pollutions by using chemical weapons. At present, due to industrial waste and automobiles, the society suffers from air pollution, especially in urban areas. In my analysis, the pollution could be solved if the government will run after smoke belchers and implement the anti-smoke belching law. Air pollution is no match when all of us work together. There are agencies like Bantay Kalikasan, Bantay Usok, and other advocates to solve this case.
COVID pandemic brought worldwide problems of giant proportions. Personal protective equipment, including masks, became part of everyday life, where all of healthcare workers and frontliners wore them. Of all the problems brought by this minute virus, I would like to concentrate on the huge mountain of waste dumped in the ocean from this non-biodegradable material. Irresponsible dumping of garbage, especially of this single-use masks, accounts for this problem. This would cause massive pollution of our ocean and cause deaths of aquatic animals due to the huge size and huge demand of all masks. If we do not act now, we might kill our water and food sources. One of the possible solutions is the advocacy of responsible waste disposals, especially effective materials like this, especially masks that were worn by COVID patients. Hopefully, future technology will produce ways to recycle this huge number of used masks worldwide.
The toll of World War II has risen above few eras. Its lessons must be taught to the younger today who will end up the pioneers of tomorrow so that they can get it, the incredible sacrifices of the great heroes. Graphic organizer shows, here are the solutions to the problems of the society. If we follow these solutions, the Philippines will surely become a better place to live. I am Krisha Elite Torres, LBS News.
If you like this video, please subscribe.